What some birds will do for pigeon seed. You waiting patiently? Waiting patiently, guys? There's a nice little lineup of bird seed. Let's get the flock in there. Whoa, close your wings, buddy. Save some room for everybody. This is called Madhouse. Let's create a madhouse. Hi, I'm polite. I'll wait patiently. Alright, all you polite birds are going to starve. Get in there. We want to see a mosh pit. Mosh pit of pigeons. A mosh pigeon. Alright, guys. Have a great day. Hopefully you enjoy this, whatever this is. Ooh, and the crows are up there making some noise. Have a great day.